and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a very special style walkthrough video. I am doing a Disney bounding lookbook inspired by Disney princesses. So you guys are going to see a whole bunch of outfits that I put together with some brand new pieces that I just got from SheIn. No, this video is not sponsored. I just like their clothes. And you'll also see some old pieces that I have that I just thought went well with the looks. But we will talk about all of those pieces when I do the style walkthrough portion. I'll give you details about them and a general price range and what I thought of them. But before we get into the style walkthroughs and actually seeing the outfits on me, I wanted to show you guys some stuff that did not make it into the video or did and has little details that I did not show. So the first thing that you're going to see is this little yellow purse that I wear with one of the looks, and this is not the reason I bought it. I actually bought it because it is a lemon slice. So I think this purse was like $6 or something like that. It was very cheap. And it is just a little lemon slice. I have a pair of shorts with little lemons on it that I thought this would go really cute with. I have a lot of clothes with lemons on it actually. I really like just the lemon pattern, and it's very like on trend. This is just a little purse. I thought it's really cute, and I don't wear a lot of yellow, so I wanted to add some to my life. So I got this little crossbody. The looks you're gonna see the flat lay for it is the Rapunzel look, and unfortunately the original outfit for the look did not fit, and that is this dress that I got from SheIn. It is this wrap dress. So you can kind of see like the panels wrap over each other and then they tie around the waist. The top fit fairly well, like there was plenty of ribbon for me to wrap and stuff like that, but the skirt was just so super tight. I didn't see that on any of the reviews, but it is not stretchy at all. It's like a kind of silky polyester, so there's no stretch. And honestly, like the seams, I could not get this down over my hips, and this is a large, which usually fits me. So I have not had good luck with dresses from SheIn, so just take that into account if you're ordering from there. But I am going to keep this piece, and I am just going to separate the skirt from the top. It has cute little dots and everything, and I thought it'd be really cute with the, you know, wrap effect that it would work for Rapunzel, but I ended up making a different outfit that is a little bit more casual, not as princessy as I wanted it to be, but hopefully you guys still like it anyway. But yeah, I am keeping this. Got quite a few accessories. So the one I'm wearing, I actually got in a 3-pack. It was these little plaid headbands. So obviously I have the green one on to match my MERIDA look, if you couldn't figure out who I was by the hair. But I also got this red and green one. It's kind of Christmassy and festive in that way. And then I got a yellow one, kind of a mustardy yellow with blue accents, and just like one of those wraparound kind of knot ones that goes in your hair. I really like wearing these with wigs. It provides a lot of tension, so it keeps the wig down, and as you can see, this is holding this wig on and kind of back, since this is such a big, you know, fluffy wig. And then I got some accessories that I didn't end up using in this video. For the Snow White look that I'm going to show you, I got this yellow scrunchie. It's one of these like bow scrunchies. And then I got one that is white and yellow striped, so I was really feeling the yellow. And then I got these clips. So the scrunchies, sorry, I'm just gonna adjust. The scrunchies and these clips all came together, and I think they were like $3. So yeah, they're just these like little flat barrette type clips that everyone seems to be really obsessed with right now. So there is those. And then I got this hat just for my own accord. I really am a big hat person, but this one has the Neverland stars embroidered on it, and I have the Neverland stars tattooed on the back of my neck, so there's no way this is fitting on this wig. I just thought it would be cool to have because I have it both, and I wear hats backwards a lot like this, so it will kind of line up with my tattoo when I have it on. So I got a top that I guess could be used as a Pirates of the Caribbean look. Maybe I'll use it in a different Disney bounding video because I do have a few planned. I got this red tie, I think they called it like a milkmaid top. It's just like this. It has these puffy sleeves and it kind of bellows out, so I'll kind of just put it on here. Like, it sits off the shoulder. You put it on and it ties around and it has these long ties. So I got this, and I actually got this for a different video I'm doing, but I'm not telling you what. Then I got these pants, which you can probably figure out what they're for just based on the print. These are a high-waisted, I thought they were going to be like leggings, but they're actually more like a dress pant material. And these are striped. They do have, oh, they don't have pockets. I thought they had pockets. So just a striped Beetlejuice style pant. Or I could go with this and be like a piratey look. I haven't decided yet. But yes, I got some like Beetlejuice pants because I'm going to be doing a Beetlejuice redo of one of the very first Halloween looks I ever did. Then the last two things I got are not from SheIn. They're from Victoria's Secret, and I just thought I would share them because I got them. These are sports bras. They are the seamless sports bras from them, and I just got this lilac lavender one. It kind of has like a tie-dye print, so it matches one of the tops that I have from there. And I got one in this kind of, not really jade, but kind of dark aqua color because I have the pants that matches. So I got those. That is it for the things from SheIn. So now let's go and do the style walkthrough of my Disney Princess Disney Bounding lookbook. So the first look that I am showing you guys is modeled after Snow White. I decided to make the accessories the red parts and a little bit more standoutish because I do not look great in yellow. So I decided to throw in pops of yellow with the lemon, and then I threw it with some pinup heels. I wanted this look to kind of mimic the period of time that Snow White came out. I would definitely wear it for Dapper Day, when the parks reopen. But yeah, I just wanted this to be like a cute classic kind of look since Snow White is the very first princess ever in the Disney universe. So my second look is obviously modeled after Ariel, if you couldn't tell by the hair, and this look is fairly simple, but I wanted to get as much of Ariel's essence in it as I could. So the top is like a faux leather, kind of pleathery feel, to kind of mimic her bikini top, and then the skirt actually has little daisies on it. It's kind of hard to see on camera, they look like little dots. But I just wanted that green tail, and then it really was all about the details with this. The earrings are little clams with little pearls in them, and then of course I have all the layered necklaces and a bow that actually has Ursula's shell on it. So just little details that I took from the movie and her look that I wanted to emulate. This next look is the one that basically never happened. The dress did not work out, but I decided to make it a more casual look and go with what I could for Rapunzel. So I just paired it with a good pair of jeans that I have. I went on the lighter side because her color palette is very light, and then I just wanted to stick within her color palette for the top with the kind of pinks and purples, and the jacket does have a lot of birds on it. And then I did flowers in my hair to mimic when she is in. And then I paired it with my big sun and moon earrings just to kind of go with the whole motif of the lantern. For Aurora, I really wanted to base everything off of the Make It Pink, Make It Blue scene. So I went with the blue jeans and blue sparkly shoes, and then a pink top that actually has little pearls on it. So those are 3-dimensional, and I thought the top was really delicate and feminine, much like Aurora, with the big bow in the back. And I just put a nude bralette underneath it to give it a little bit of texture and layer. I went really understated on the jewelry, just with a gold locket, because Aurora only wears gold jewelry. And then the makeup is even pink and blue, which hopefully you guys can see, because Instagram I forgot about for like a brief moment filming this and took all the makeup off, so I couldn't post the full makeup on my Instagram. But everything is pink and blue in this to mimic Aurora and kind of that like splattered dress in the movie. Jasmine was all about the accessories. I put on so many different accessories to make this look as big and grand as Jasmine as I could. I kind of took a little bit of the live action Jasmine and mixed it with the cartoon version. So obviously I have the big dark hair, but I have these big hoop earrings. I have all these flowers in them. I had like 10 rings on that all came in a set and actually matched the top fairly well. But I didn't put on a necklace because the straps are actually like rhinestone. I actually changed the original shoes that I had. I thought my Peter Pan shoes that I got on Etsy for Christmas kind of provided that a whole new world sequence kind of feel, even though they are Peter Pan. Unless you really look at them, they just look at the night sky. But they do say second star to the right and straight on till morning on them, and they have little trinkets in the back, so I thought it would kind of be like when they're flying around the world, and it kind of ties that in. Lastly, we have Merida, which was probably my favorite outfit because it is probably the most to my style as I can get when Disney bounding. I did distressed jeans because we know Merida is not a prim and proper princess. She is the wild child of the princesses. And I put it with this green top with the lace-ups in the back because I thought it would kind of mimic the back of a dress from that time where it would corset up. And obviously the green to match kind of Merida's dress. I went with brown boots and obviously a plaid headband to add that little Scottish touch with my wig. And then I just went with a kind of caramel color purse and a more understated but still kind of bold jewelry with the metal cuff with the cutout of a flower in it. So it's a little bit princessy but a little bit more rough and tumble the way Merida is. That is the end of my Disney Princess lookbook / SheIn haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like this video and check out my other lookbooks on my playlist. And if you guys want to see more of these, comment down below what themes you would like to see me do. I hope you guys have a good day and are staying safe and healthy out there. And I will see you in the next one.